Every powerful Ford F-150 begins its journey right here, inside one of the most advanced truck factories in the world. This factory combines human skill with cutting-edge automation. Before a single part is built, every detail is carefully designed and tested.
Each component is engineered for strength, durability, and performance. And now, production begins. High-strength steel arrives as massive coils. These presses shape steel into precise body panels.
Robots cut each piece with extreme accuracy.
Every panel moves smoothly through the production line.
Human inspection ensures flawless quality. Robotic welders assemble the truck's strong body frame.
The structure of the Ford F-150 is now complete.
Every weld adds strength and safety. Efficiency and precision work together.
Next stop, the paint shop. The paint process begins in a dust-free environment. Robots apply primer evenly across the surface.
This layer protects the truck from corrosion.
Customers can choose from multiple bold colors.
The paint is baked to perfection.
Every surface is carefully checked.
A flawless finish defines the Ford F-150.
Now the truck is ready for final assembly.
The iconic Ford identity shines through.
Transformation continues. The heart of the Ford F-150 begins with precision-built engine components.
Automation ensures perfect alignment and consistency. The engine is designed for power and reliability. The engine is carefully placed into the truck's frame. Strong suspension prepares the truck for heavy-duty work. Each wheel is installed with exact torque.
Exhaust system completes the power flow.
Systems are secured for long-range performance. The rolling chassis is now ready. Meets structure. Inside, comfort and technology take shape.
The driver's control center is installed.
Premium seating ensures comfort on every journey. Of wiring connect advanced systems. Smart technology comes to life. Detail is tested.
Human hands ensure perfection.
A solid build you can feel.
Designed for both work and comfort. Interior is complete.
And chassis become one.
The Ford F-150 takes its iconic shape. Welding systems are tested. The truck moves under its own power. Tests ensure zero leaks. Suspension strength is pushed to the limit. Braking performance is verified.
Quality approved. Quality approved.
For the real world.
Of trucks, one standard.
Built to match every lifestyle. From factory floor to open roads.
Symbol of strength.
From raw steel to unstoppable performance. Ginta. This is how the Ford F-150 is made.